All right, when it comes down to setting up connections on this thing's a beast. All right, look at all my connections I have. I have all my systems setting up. I have two USBs running here, one USB for this system, the other one is in the back. And the great thing about it is they have two USBs type A and two type C's. All right, now unfortunately I don't have type C's to connect. I have that one connected, and then I have this beautiful diorama connected. So I'm using it because it has plenty of connections. I'm gonna do cable management. It's gonna go behind it. It's gonna come out in the back, but I want to test it out. I have a lot of connections here. My lamps are connected right now. Everything's gonna keep me connected from my desk here, and everything's gonna be running from the same circuit. So it is long enough where it connects there and flexible. All right, this is a great all-around system, especially with plugs on the side, power button, and then the USBs. You get two A's and two C's. So when you're trying to plug things in that are use the USB, everything comes in handy. I use this so much for pretty much everything I have in here. All right, this powers up pretty much all my devices I put in this thing. You guys can see it's doing my dioramas and all the way down to the light. You have I'm using two of the USBs are being used or utilized right now. This thing has a lot of different connections. Best thing is the actual plug. All right, if you're gonna put this anywhere, look at this. Rotate pretty much any 360 area you have. You could connect this anywhere. If you want to use it in any kind of base, you don't have to worry about breaking the actual connection because this thing rotates pretty much anywhere. And I do have it plugged in right now. No power loss whatsoever. Very simple. If you have the devices that are behind covers, this is perfect for that. So very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.